producer and popular DJ Avicii dies at age 28, find out what killed him. Pretoria, producer and popular DJ Avicii has been found dead, his representative confirmed. The Swedish electro-dance sensation, whose real name was Tim Bergling, was found dead on Friday. It is with profound sorrow that we announce the loss of Tim Bergling, also known as Avicii, his management said. The family is devastated and we ask everyone to please respect their need for privacy in this difficult time. No further statements will be given. The days, you make me and wake me up. Hitmaker was 28 years old at the time of his death. The DJ died in Oman's capital city Muscat, a brief statement said, without specifying a cause of death. In 2016, Avicii stunned fans by announcing his retirement when he was just 26 years old. While his death came as a shock, Avicii had spoken publicly in recent years about his health problems including pancreatitis, triggered in part by excessive drinking. Avicii, who for years was one of the world's most lucrative electronic musicians, in 2016 made number 12 on the list of top-paid DJs of Forbes magazine, which said he earned $14.5 million, or $175 million, in the previous year.